Stock option trading for beginners. I made over $920 in one day. Most of the profits came from Netflix call options. Netflix stock dropped from 477 to 413. There are three reasons why Netflix stock dropped. Every drop presents an opportunity. I'm going to tell you how to take advantage of it at the end of the video. If you are just starting out, I'm going to show you how to buy call option step by steps. Netflix subscription jumped 8%. So why this Netflix stock dropped? Let's look at Netflix number. Netflix earnings were 3.29 a share compared to 2.86 per share expectations. It beat expectation on earnings. How about revenue? Revenue reported was 8.19 billion. Expectation was 8.3 billion, so it was lower than expectations. That's reason number 3 why Netflix stock dropped. Let's look at reason number 2. Chief Financial Officer Spencer said the company expects a gradual revenue build. Added that's not expected to be a big contributor this year. Netflix introduced ad tier. Also, they cracked down on passport sharing. So everybody expected really big revenues increase from these two initiatives. But the guidance said it is a gradual revenue build. So the guidance was not good. That's reason number 2. What is reason number 1? Buy side expectations are high. Wells Fargo analyst Steven Kachor said in a note before Netflix reported earnings. Remember, when expectations are too high, you have to beat expectation on every end. But if you fall short on some areas, your stock could take a hit. That's what happened. That's why Netflix stock dropped. And every drop presented the opportunities. Let's look at it. After a big drop, if it's a good company, it's gonna bounce back. Would I invest in Netflix for the long term? As an investor, no. Because Netflix has to invest a lot in productions. They need to pay actors, directors, writers, every expenses they need to pay first before they get the revenue. That's why I don't like Netflix. Not every movie show is gonna be a hit, and they need to keep spending to make more money. It's different from Google. Google has YouTube. Remember, YouTube's a lot of people make YouTube videos, but Google makes money first. If YouTubers do not succeed, Google doesn't need to pay YouTubers, so there's no loss. That's why I like Google, I like YouTube. Netflix, they need to pay first to make money. That's why I don't invest in Netflix. But I trade Netflix. I use call options to make profits. It's quite a lot. I'm gonna show you how to buy call options step by step. I bought and sold Netflix call options November 17, 2023 expiry date, strike price 430 call options at a profit. Let's use this call option as an example. Look for Netflix stock in your stockbroker or option broker. I'm using Robinhood as an example. You can use any stockbroker you like. You can use any stock you like. This is not a financial advice to buy and sell Netflix stock or call options. In Robinhood, you will see trade Netflix option on the right bottom. Click on it. Then you will see this windows. Choose November 17 as an example. That's what I did. November 17, call option, strike price 430. So if you want to buy 430, you can click on right here. After clicking here, you will see on the right side, you are buying 430 call options, expiry date November 17. How much does it cost? 38.6. Remember, one option represents 100 shares, so you need to multiply 38.6 with 100. If you like to pay this amount, you can say continue. Click on it. Let's say you want to buy only one options, or you can buy 11 options. Make sure you have enough money. Make sure you know how to manage your risk. Do not spend a lot of money on only one option. Remember, you need to diversify across different stocks and different time. You don't want to be buying everything on one day or at the same time. Diversify across different times and also across different stocks. And let's say I'm going to choose one option represent 100 shares, and bid and ask price. Usually the transaction happens between the two prices. So the bid price is how much the buyers are willing to pay, and the ask price is how much are the sellers willing to sell. And you can put 38.45 if you want. Just try it out. And maximum cost that you're gonna be paying is 3,845. That's your maximum loss. So when you buy call options, the maximum that you can lose is the premium that you pay for. So you can click on review order. If you don't have enough buying power, your broker is gonna tell you not enough buying power. You can deposit more funds, or you can go back, or you can edit your order price. Let's say you want to put in 1,000. This is just an example. And you click review order. Then you are paying 1,000 for the right to buy 100 shares on Netflix for $430 per share by November 17. Then you can click submit if you like it. Then that's it. If your order is executed, you will get the notifications and you will see Netflix call option in your account. What do you like most about this video? Comment down below. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. If you are just starting out, you want to open an account, the link is gonna be in the description and comment down below. Like, share, subscribe. Do you want to retire early? Do you love freedom? Do you want to work only 1 to 2 hours a day while traveling around the world and spend more time with your family? You can start stock investing and option trading right now. If you want to know more about finance, stocks, options, real estate, crypto, check out our playlist. Stock investing, stock trading, option trading, real estate, cryptocurrency.